meal preparation we need to inform our patient that they need to eat their meal to be able gain energy, and it is required to drink their medicine.
Proper hand wash, sanitize, and put on gloves. Ma'am, good morning. How are you?
I'm okay.
By the way, I'm Joanne. I'm your caregiver. As per your doctor advice, you need to take your medicine. But before that, you need to eat your meal first. I'm going to assist you in the kitchen. But before that, I'm going to get your vital sign first. Wait for a while. I'm just going to prepare the tools and materials that we are going to use. Assuming I'm done preparing and sanitizing the tools that we are going to use, I'll get your vital sign. Assuming vital sign is done and the result is normal, wait here for a while. I'm just going to prepare your meal now. I remove my gloves. I wash my hand, sanitize. I wear on food gloves. Put gloves on. I remove my food gloves. I wash my hand and sanitize. Hi ma'am, I'm done preparing your meal. I'll go to assist you in the kitchen. But before that, you need to wash your hand first. Then pat dry. Your food, your rice, which is rich in carbohydrates, your chicken tinola, which is rich in protein, and then your dessert, banana, which is rich in potassium. Start eating now, ma'am. Okay. Assuming that the patient is done, ma'am, where do you prefer to rest? In the couch or in the chair?
In the chair.
Okay, ma'am. Let me assist you. It's go on. For that, we need to do the oral care first and wash your hands afterwards. Thank you. Then wash your hand. Hot dry. Ma'am, rest here for a while and just do the aftercare and come back again to get your vitals. Okay, I'm done with the aftercare. I'll wash my hand. Assuming I wash my hand, I sanitize and put on new gloves. Okay, I'm done with the aftercare. Assuming I wash my hand, I sanitize and put on new gloves. Ma'am, I'll just check your vital sign again. Assuming that the vital sign is done and the result is normal,